Hi, this is Tim, one of the engineers here at Tubeline Manufacturing. Today we'll be going over the proper way to remove net wrap and load your bale onto the BF8000 bale feeder. Starting with the forks in their bottom position, raise them up while watching the indicator. Line the indicator up with your selected bale size. As a good reference, make sure the top of the loading arm vertical bale supports are approximately at the top of the bale. Then you can reverse the bale feeder into the bale. Once secured to the spears, simply lift the bale up towards the machine until the bale is a few inches off the table. With a knife, make an incision into the wrap. You can then pull the wrap through the hole between the loading arm and the frame and try to keep the wrap from hitting the drum to avoid catching the fingers. Remove the wrap and place it in a waste area or the optional storage box at the front of the unit. Once the wrap has been disposed of, you can continue to load the bale onto the table. Make sure to continue pressing the hydraulics in the same direction used to lift the bale until it finishes its stroke. Then retract the spears by activating the hydraulics in the opposite direction until the loading arm is completely down. Hopefully this video helps you with any issues or questions you have about removing the netting or loading the BF8000 bale feeder. For any further information on this product, be sure to visit us online at tubeline.ca or call our office at 1-888-856-6613.